Look up at the sky. Have you ever wondered how clouds are made? When the sun heats up water from rivers, lakes, and oceans, it turns into water vapor. This process is called evaporation. The water vapor rises high into the sky where it's cooling. It cools down and changes back into tiny water droplets. This is called condensation. These droplets come together to form a clouds. When the clouds get heavy and full of water, the droplets fall back to the ground as rain. And that's how clouds form and bring us rain, all thanks to the water cycle.